Hello everyone. Welcome back to our gardening series. Today, we are going to talk about a vegetable that almost everyone loves, carrots. Carrots are not only delicious, but also quite easy to grow in your own backyard. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of cultivating carrots. So, let's get started. Number 1. Preparing the soil. The first step in growing healthy carrots is to prepare the soil. Carrots prefer loose, well-draining soil. Start by clearing the area of any weeds and rocks. Then, dig the soil to a depth of at least 12 inches. Make sure to add some compost or well-rotted manure. Carrots thrive in nutrient-rich soil, so this step is crucial for their growth. Number 2. Planting carrot seeds. Now, it's time to plant the carrot seeds. Carrot seeds are tiny, so be careful while handling them. Plant the seeds about a quarter inch deep in rows, leaving about 2 inches of space between each seed. You can cover the seeds lightly with soil and water the area gently. Make sure to keep the soil consistently moist during the germination period, which usually takes about 1 to 3 weeks. Number 3. Watering and care. As your carrot plants grow, make sure to water them regularly. Carrots need about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. Water deeply to encourage the roots to grow down into the soil. Once the carrot seedlings are a few inches tall, thin them out to provide enough space for the carrots to develop properly. Leave about 3 inches of space between each carrot plant. Number 4. Harvesting carrots. And now, the most exciting part, harvesting your homegrown carrots. Carrots are usually ready to harvest 60 to 80 days after planting, depending on the variety. Gently pull the carrots out of the ground, and you will have delicious, homegrown carrots ready to be enjoyed in your favorite recipes. Conclusion. And there you have it, a simple guide to growing carrots in your own garden. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your carrot growing experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.